Hi, welcome to this video. I am with Claudia Pischel, who is an audiology expert from R&D.
Hi.
And she is here to tell us a little about Auto EchoShield in augmented experience, and then let us have a listen. So Claudia, why do we need Auto EchoShield?
We observed that many hearing aid wearers complain about a too echoey sound. And one of the main reasons is that hearing aids typically over-amplify reverberation, even if we are in a situation like this, where we, as normal hearing listeners, don't perceive much reverberation.
Well, that sounds great, but didn't we have a program for reverberation before?
Yes, we did, and people liked it a lot, but now we do even better, and it's automatic now.
But how are we able to do that automatically?
So now we constantly check the amount of reverberation and steer the processing in the universal program, so no need for switching anymore.
Okay, so then I guess if I walk into an auditorium that has a lot of reverberation, the hearing aids are going to be able to handle that automatically?
Yes, so by constantly analyzing the amount of reverberation, we can also decide if we want to preserve the realistic sound of the room or if we want to attenuate reverberation.
Well, that sounds great. Shall we have a listen?
Yes, let's go.
You're listening right now to the sound of the hearing instruments on Aaron's ears, and we start with a traditional processing. You will already hear that my sound is much more reverberant than it should be in this scene, but let me also clap my hand. Now we switch to AX. And that's the effect of Auto EchoShield, and you hear also that my voice is less echoey and more clear.
Yeah, it's a real big difference. So thank you so much for letting us listen to it. Wow, there was a really big difference listening with Auto EchoShield in that room.
It will not only work in that room, it's really automatic. It scans every room, so it would also work here. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let's test it out. I'll go back to the traditional process.
I can do the clapping.
Okay, back to AX. Yeah, big difference here as well. A lot less echo when you were clapping. Should we see what other places we can find around here to test?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Here it is very reverberant.
Yeah, I think this might be pushing it a little bit. I'm still in the traditional processing.
Okay.
Now AX. That is amazing. It's a huge difference even here, which is such a reverberant place.